This is the first job opening that we have. So they are hiring for multiple digital forensic profiles. So guys, if you are good in digital forensics, okay, so this is for you, right? CY int is the company name, HRDC int is the mail ID. अगर भाई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आता है, just call on this number and ask रिस्पॉन्स क्यों नहीं आया, what are the things you want, whatever questions you have, you can ask them, right? So yeah, that's what we have right now. So this is something, multiple person apply, send your resume. Okay, if your profile is in uh, what you say, digital forensics, right? Do accordingly. Now the next one is basically in Dubai, Middle East. It's a Dubai flag, I guess. They want a cybersecurity professional, security analyst. So there are a couple of domain in which they want a person who can work. Uh, Adult Talent is the company name. Info@adulttalent.com is the mail on which you need to apply. Right. Next one is Scan Infoga. The company, those who are cybersecurity intern, right, and they want a person with the web or networking or cloud knowledge, right? And मैं बबसूट वाया सर की तो knowledge होगा ही भाई, जन्म लेने के साथ बच्चों का आ जाता है. Real time project and all those things. 3 month, okay, 3 month job role. If you perform well, then your internship might get extended, and it's a remote or hybrid based, right? So they will tell you exactly from where you need to work. Perks are real world exposure. You learn a lot of things. Mentorship with certificate, letter of recommendation, internship certificate, and possibility of full time role, right? So you might get a PPO as well. This is mail ID jatinkumar@scaninfoca.in, right? Next one is application security engineer is a position someone is looking in Abu Dhabi. This is where you need to work with the government. You need to do some sort of Al Habibi. So they want a AppSec engineer with hands-on experience of SAST and DAST for the government project, which is in Abu Dhabi probably. And भाई इतना पैसा दे रहे हैं 42.3 LPA INR. So those who already visited Abu Dhabi sometime, if you want, you can join. Dubai is the place. Abu Dhabi government sector is the domain in which you need to work. Info@ quantumseclabs.in, right? So you can apply accordingly. If you feel like you don't have a skill, then you can check out this URL, VIEH group.com/TCI. If you want to learn something, just check this domain, right? Next one is red teamer. कहाँ गए भाई? Someone was asking last time, sir, I want a red teaming job. Please let me know if someone is hiring. They want, right? BTech, MCA, BCA, MSc, MC, MSc, BSc, everything. OSCP, CH Master is the certificate which is required. Delhi based job. This is mail ID Sanju K@wemtech.com. And now securism. They are hiring from a long time. Multiple positions, senior GRC consultant is the position which you work, talent.accusation @securism.com. अरे यार पाकिस्तान में भाई, पाकिस्तान में कुछ है ही नहीं, वहाँ का पानी से मर रहे हैं भाई वो लोग, क्या जॉब देंगे? सिट, मैं भी क्या दिखा रहा हूँ. सॉरी भाई, सॉरी आपका आंख खराब करने के लिए. एनीवेज, that's all for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please drop in the chat box. Yes.